Why do transient variables I and j remain 0 after deserialization in Java? Serialization is a fundamental concept in Java that allows conversion of an object into a byte stream, making it possible to save the object state to a file or transmit it over a network. Deserialization, consequently, reconstructs the byte stream back into a live object. However, when working with transient variables in Java, developers might encounter some surprising behavior, especially during the deserialization process. Understanding serialization and transient variables. By default, when a Java class implements the serializable interface, all of its fields are serialized and deserialized. The transient keyword is used to denote variables that should not be serialized. Consequently, these variables are not included in the serial representation of an object. When an object is deserialized, Java initializes transient fields to their default values. For primitive data types such as int, transient fields will be set to 0 upon deserialization. Non-primitive transient fields will be set to null. Why are I and j initialized to 0? Consider a simple class with a few transient variables. Here, my class has 3 variables, with I and j marked as transient. When an object of my class is serialized, the fields I and j are ignored, meaning that only k retains its value during the serialization process. During deserialization, since neither I nor j have been saved in the byte stream, they are assigned their default values, which is 0 for integers. This initialization is purely a consequence of the transient keyword's intended function. Implications and solutions. When designing a Java class for serialization, it's crucial to thoughtfully consider which fields should be transient. The following solutions can be used to address issues with transient fields. Custom serialization. Implement the writeObject and readObject methods to manually handle the serialization and deserialization of transient fields. This approach provides full control over the transient behavior. Post-deserialization initialization. If custom serialization is unnecessary, consider reinitializing transient fields in an object's constructor or a post-deserialization method to ensure they are appropriately set. Evaluate transient usage. Occasionally, it may be worth assessing whether making a field transient is needed or if its state should persist across sessions. By understanding how transient affects serialization and deserialization in Java, developers can better design their classes to maintain intended behavior across serialization boundaries. Remember, while transient fields help customize what gets serialized, they require careful handling to ensure important state or data isn't inadvertently lost.